Hello everyone, welcome back to Digital Growth Tutor. In today's video, we will learn about audience segments in Google Ads. Specifically, we will understand what your data segments, audience segments, custom segments, combined segments, and your data insights are, and how you can use them in your advertising campaigns. Let's start with the basics. An audience is simply a group of people who share similar behaviors, interests, or characteristics. Google collects data from user activities such as websites they visit, videos they watch, searches they perform, apps they use. Using this data, Google groups users into different audience categories so advertisers can show ads to the right people. For example, if someone frequently searches for running shoes or visits sports websites, Google may classify them in a sports or fitness audience group. Advertisers can then target these audiences with relevant ads. Your data segments are created using your own customer data. For example, people who visited your website, people who added products to cart but didn't purchase, people who subscribed to your email list, people who interacted with your YouTube channel. This type of targeting is commonly known as remarketing. Remarketing is very powerful because you are advertising to people who already know your business. To use this, you first need to install the Google Ads tag or connect Google Analytics to your website so Google can collect visitor data. Now let's talk about custom segments. Custom segments allow you to create your own audience based on keywords, websites, or apps. This means you can target people who search for specific terms on Google or visit specific websites. For example, if you sell digital marketing services, you can create a custom segment targeting people who search for Google Ads services, Facebook advertising agency, digital marketing consultant. You can also target people who visit competitor websites. This is a great way to reach new potential customers who are already interested in similar services. The next type is combined segments. Combined segments allow you to combine multiple audiences using conditions such as and, or, and not. This helps you create very specific targeting. For example, you can target people who visited your website and are interested in digital marketing, or you can exclude people who already purchased from your store. Combined segments are useful for advanced targeting and reducing wasted ad spend. Finally, we have your data insights. This section provides analytics about your audience behavior. It shows useful information such as age groups, gender distribution, locations, interests, device usage. These insights help you understand your audience better. For example, you may discover that most of your customers are between 25 and 34 years old and mainly using mobile devices. You can then optimize your ads and targeting based on this information. How to use these audience types? The best strategy is to combine these audience options. For example, use your data segments for remarketing campaigns. Use custom segments to reach new potential customers. Use combined segments for more precise targeting. And use your data insights to analyze and improve your campaigns. By using the right audience targeting, you can show your ads to the most relevant people and improve your campaign performance. I hope this tutorial helped you understand the different audience segments in Google Ads and how to use them effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Digital Growth Tutor for more tutorials on Google Ads, Meta Ads, Google Analytics, and digital marketing strategies.